Hello, good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Students, in last session, we have started our exercise 2.2 from lesson number 2, that is whole numbers. Okay, so we have solved three questions we have solved from this exercise, and I told you before that we'll see the D question from the question number 3 again, because that question was little bit different from the other question. Same property we have to use, but that question was little bit different. I know some student maybe they have confusion, means how teacher have solved and how we have to decide how to solve that example. So don't worry student, again I'm going to repeat that question. I hope in this explanation you will understood that question in a easy way. So let's start to solve. Here that question was from question number 3, and that was D1. Okay, that was D1. Okay, again I'm going to explain the same question and then we will start to solve the next question of this exercise. I hope whatever I'm giving you, whatever I'm providing you, the notes and the answers of exercise, you are writing everything in your notebook in systematic manner. Okay, so the question was 3845 multiply by 5 multiply by 782 plus 769 multiply by 25 multiply by 280. As I told you before, this whole question number 3, is based on the property, that is distributivity property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Okay, so here that property we have to use, and in that property we have seen the two equations, that is A multiply by in bracket B plus C is equal to A multiply by B plus A multiply by C. Okay, now this question is in which form? That is in this form they have asked the question. Okay, I told you before that if they are saying this is in this form, let's consider, if this we consider A, this we will consider B, this will be C. But here other three different whole numbers are also there. So what we have to consider? Okay, so what we have to do is, to get the whole numbers for this number, we have to change, we have to do, before to get these numbers we have to do the changes. Now what we have to do here? So here what we will do here, okay, so here if I decide that this will be my A, okay, this will be my A if I consider. So in the right hand side also I want the same A, means 3845 multiplied by 5. So here what we have to do to get the 5, simply I will say here, now let's see, only simple 5 we will take. So to get the 5, what we have to do? We have to 25. How we get 25? 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 5 is the only thing, if you multiply itself, so we get the 25. So here what we will do is, we'll write this left hand side equation as it is 3845 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 782 plus, now what we will do here? We will, means here instead of 25 we will write 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, why we have to do it? Because we want the common A, and that we decided, that is 3845 multiplied by 5. Okay, so here 769 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 into 280. Okay, okay. Now next step is, what we have to do is, now here let's see, here 5, in the first number 5 is the last digit. Okay, if I'll multiply this 5 with the 9, I will get 45. Again, whatever the product will come, the last place of that, the last digit of that number will be 5. So here what I will do, I will multiply these two numbers. Okay, so write third step, 3845 multiply by 5 multiply 782 plus the subtraction, the multiplication of these two number, I'll do it here. 769 multiplied by 5. Okay, now 5 nines are 45, 4 will come here. Now 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 34, 3 will come here. 7 5 are 35, 35 plus 3 38. See, we got the same answer, 345. So here 300, not 345, 3845. So 3845 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 218. Now student, now we got the A, which is common over here. So as we decided that 3845 multiplied by 5 will be our A. Okay, then 782 will be B. Okay, this is also A and this is C. Okay, now this equation is in this form. Okay, we have to convert it into, and then we have to solve. So here what we will do, we have to keep all those numbers. Let's put all the numbers in this format. Okay, so here I will write, so you will A multiplied B plus C. Okay, so A is here 3845 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 782 plus 218. Okay, and if you do the addition of these two numbers, you will get 1000 and write all and do the multiplication of these two number. Okay, and if you do the multiplication of this number in while you are attending this session, you can do the multiplication in your notebook also. Okay, so you will get the answer. Last time I told you that is 19,225. Okay, now let's do the multiplication. Now 1000 is there. I told you how many zeros are there, that much zeros you have to write, 3000. Then whatever the number, if you multiply the one same number, you will get, that is 19225. So here we got the answer, that is 1,92,25,000. Okay student, now in this session also I have explained the same question D from question number 3. I hope now you understand it. See student, if you solve this example again, I hope some student maybe after this explanation also they will not understood. When I will give you the homework, that time I will give the same type of question, means number will be different. When you will solve those questions, that time you will understood when you will solve these type of question by yourself. Okay, now let's solve the question number 4 of this exercise. Question number 4 is, find the product using suitable properties. Okay, and first question is 738 multiplied by 103. Now student, we can traditionally, we can directly solve in a vertical way. We can do the vertical multiplication, we will get the answer. Okay, but if you solve this example in traditional way, but they have said that we have to use the property. Okay, so here two whole numbers are there, it means that this is not, here we can't use the associative property, because in associative property we are multiplying 3 or more than 3 numbers. Okay, if we will take the closure property, okay, closure property, what they are saying, they are saying whatever the answer comes, that will be that is also whole number, but to get the answer, which property you have to use? So we will not use here closure property also. Commutative property क्या कह रही है, अगर हम दोनों की प्लेस भी चेंज कर दे, पहले 103 ले ले, 730 भी ले ले, सेम आंसर आएगा, पर हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन जब भी करेंगे तो भी हमें ट्रेडिशनल वे में ही जाना पड़ेगा, तो हम कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी नहीं ले सकते यहाँ पे. तो ओनली द प्रॉपर्टी इज लेफ्ट ओवर हियर दैट वी कैन चेंज द अरेंजमेंट, दैट इज ओनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. Okay, so that property we have to use. So here using property. Okay, I told you before, sometime they will give you the question in both the equation format. Okay, so what is the formation of distributive property? That is A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. Okay, sometime they will give you the question in this form, sometime they will give you the question in this form. Okay, but sometimes they will not give the any problem in the both the format. That time what we have to do, then what we have to do, we have to, whatever the question they will give, we have to convert them into both the forms. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so here what I will do, if I'll take here 738 as RA. Okay, 738. But what about B and C? Because only one number is there. So what we will do, we will separate them. We will separate them to get B and C. How we will? So here what we will do, here 103 is there. So what I will do, to easy separation of this number, 100 plus 3 is equal to 103. That is also same thing. So here we got the A, that is 738, B, that is 100, and C, that is 3. Okay, it is very simple. Once you get understood what I have done here, it is very easy for you to solve the example. Now let's convert this into this equation. Okay, our A is 738, RB, that is 100, plus again 738 multiplied by C is 3. Okay, now here it is very easy. 100 is there. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. And write the number, that is as it is. When you are multiplying 100 with the any whole number, you will, what you have to do, you have to put the 2 zeros, because 100 is there, because 100 in 100 2 zeros are there. And if you are multiplying any number with the 1, we get the same number, and add here, and here 3 8s are 24, 2 will come here, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11, 1 is here, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1, 21 plus 1, that is 22. So we got the answer over here. Let's do the addition of all these numbers. 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 1, 1, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 will come here. Okay, so 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, and 7 as it is. So we got the answer, that is 76,014. Okay students, मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि क्वेश्चन जो है वो किसी भी फॉर्मेट में आ सकता है जब वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में पूछते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमने पहले डिसाइड किया कि कौन सी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो कुछ बोला नहीं है, उन्होंने बोला है फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट यूजिंग सुटेबल प्रॉपर्टी, मीन्स वी कैन यूज एनी प्रॉपर्टी. सो हियर आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. पर यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी हमने पहले क्या देखा था कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी में दो फॉर्मेट में हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, और प्रॉब्लम इन दो फॉर्मेट में आ सकता है, पर एग्जाम्पल ऐसे दो भी फॉर्मेट में नहीं है. तो हमने क्या किया, टू गेट दिस फॉर्मेट व्हाट वी हैव डन, वट एवर द सेकेंड होल नंबर वाज देयर, व्हाट आई डिड, आई सेपरेट द दिस नंबर. सो हाउ आई सेपरेट, मैंने क्या किया, 103 था, तो दैट वाज वेरी इजी टू डू द एडिशन ऑफ दैट नंबर. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यू कैन डू द the different number also you can take, but this here 103 is a simple addition of 103. So that's why I have taken, because after doing this I got the A, B and C, because once you get all these A, B, C, it will be easy for us to put the numbers in this format. Okay, so we got the answer. Let's see the another example to understand it better, so you will understood with the second example. Now second example is 854 and 102. Okay, as I told you before, whole this question we have to solve with the help of distributivity property. Okay, so these are the two format of the distributivity property, where we have to put the values in this format to get the answer. Okay, now here again same problem is there of like a first one, but here numbers are different. Okay, so to get the A, B, C, to put the values in this equation, what we have to do, again what I will do here, 854 I will write as it is. Okay, multiply, and we separate the 102 in a easy way. So here I will get 100 plus 2. Okay, so here we got 854, that is our A, 100 is B, and C is our 2. Okay, now here we got this format in the left hand side format, that is A multiplied by B plus C. Okay, let's convert it into the second format. So here our A is 854 multiply with the B is 100. Okay, so A again 854 multiply with the 2. Okay, so here multiplication with the 100, it is very easy. 854, how many zeros are there? That much zero you have to put, plus 854 multiply with the 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 1 will carry, we have to carry 1, 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 17. So here we got the answer of these two whole numbers, that is 1708. Now it is very easy. Let's do the addition of all the numbers. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 will we have to carry. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 and 8. So here we got the answer 87,108. Now I hope students from the second example little bit you get the idea how to solve these type of examples and how to use the distributativity property for these examples. Okay, now let's solve the third example. Instead of these two number you can take any number. Okay, here you can take 568. Instead of 102 you can take 117, 118. Okay, so that will be easy for us to do the practice of this type of question, and definitely you will get the answer. To check out your answer whether it is correct or not, in a traditional way, multiply both the number directly. Whatever the answer comes, that answer will be the same answer which you got from this method. मैंने ये बोला कि अगर आपको आप अगर नंबर चेंज कर रहे हो और आपको देखना है कि मेरा आंसर बराबर है कि नहीं, तो क्या करेंगे? अगर हम नंबर चेंज करके ऐसा आंसर लाते हैं, if I want to cross check whether whatever answer I got 87,108, what I will do, I will directly in the traditional way 854 multiply by 2. It will take time, but definitely you will get the same answer, that is 87,108. ओके, आपके सामने ही मैं क्रॉस चेक कर लेती हूँ. सो यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट योर सेल्फ. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 1 will carry, 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 17, 0. ओके, सो 0 के साथ कोई भी मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 0 आता है. 3 digits are there, means 3 times I have to write 0. Okay, now I am multiplying with the 100 place, it means 2 times I have to write 0. So 1 आप किसी के साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई करते तो सेम नंबर आता है. तो here 5 8, here we got the answer. 8 plus 0 8, 0 0 0. 7 plus 4 11, 1 I have to carry. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7 and 8 as it is. See, so हम ऐसे करके भी हमारा आंसर क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हैं. सो यू कैन क्रॉस चेक योर आंसर if you are changing the numbers. Yes, you obviously, if you want to do the practice of this type of question, you have to change the question, you have to take your own numbers and you have to solve it. It is very important because maths is all about the practice. Okay, now let's see the C example of this question. Now C example is 258 multiplied by 1008 student. Now here same questions are there but different numbers are there. Okay, only the numbers are different, same method we have to use. Okay, so here to get the A B C, only 2 numbers are there. How will get A B C? 3 numbers are there, 3 whole numbers we want. So what we will do here, 258 we will write as it is, multiply by, we have to do the separation of these two numbers. So 1000 plus 8 is equal to the 1008. So here we will get A is our 258, B is our 1000 and C is 8. Okay, now we got this format of the left hand side. Okay, now we have to convert it into the right hand side equation. So here what we have to do is A multiply with the B. So our A is 258 multiply by 1000 plus A is again 258 multiply by 8. Okay, and it is very easy when you are multiplying any number with the 1000 or 100. What you have to do is, how many zeros are there? 30. I will write here 1 2 3 0, and the whatever number is there, if you are multiplying with the 1, we'll get the same answer, that is 258. So here we got the answer 2,58,000. Okay, plus 1. Now let's do the multiplication of these two number. So 8 8s are 64, 6 will come here, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 6 is 46, 4 we have to carry, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. So we got here 2064. Now let's add them together. So here 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, 0 plus 0, 0, and 2 plus 8, 10, 1 will come here. So 5 plus 1, 6 and 2. So here we got the answer 2,60,064. 2,60,064. Okay student, I hope now you are little bit understanding how we are solving. Okay, you are getting idea. Okay, let's solve the last example of this question. Okay, so here sometime what will happen, this place will come over here, but doesn't matter, वो कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं करता हमारे आंसर पे. अगर कई बार ऐसा हो जाए, अगर यही क्वेश्चन इस फॉर्मेट में आता 1008 प्लस 250 ऐसे आता, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम ऐसे ही करते हैं. हम क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे हम पहले ले लेते हैं 1000 प्लस 8 और फिर 250 ऐसे करते, तो भी उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हमारा ए जो है, अगर हम ए भी रखते 1000 भी रखते तो भी हमारा आंसर सेम ही आता. सो लेट्स सॉल्व द fourth example. Now D is 1005 multiplied by 68. Okay, so here the places are changed, means the in the previous example we have seen this type of numbers were on the second place. So here first place is 1005. So what we have to do, same method we have to do is here, if their places are also different, doesn't matter. So 1000 plus 5 multiply 168. So here we'll consider A 160, B will be R 5 and C will be R 1000. Okay, same way we have to go. So we got this format in this way, means अगर हम ले लेते हैं तो ऐसा हो जाता है वो C plus B multiply by A. ओके, बट अगर एडिशन भी करते हैं, दोनों नंबर तो सेम ही है, एडिशन तो सेम ही आएगी, तो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर हम किसी भी ऑर्डर में उसको करते, आंसर हमेशा सेम ही रहेगा. सो यहाँ पे वी गॉट द इक्वेशन इन दिस फॉर्म. नाउ लेट्स कन्वर्ट इट इनटू दिस. ओके, सो आवर A is 168. What is our B? 5 plus A, that is our A is 160 multiplied by 1000. Okay, so 168 multiplied by 5 क्या आता है? So 5 8s are 40, 4 we have to carry, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 34, 3 will carry, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3 8. So we got the answer 840. Okay, now let's do the multiplication of these two number. 1000 is there, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there, and write 680 as it is. So here we got the answer. And let's do the addition. 0 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 4, 8 plus 0, 8, and 160 added. So here we got the answer 1,68,840. Now student, here we solve the example. For example we have seen where the question was not in both the form. Okay, एक भी question इस form में नहीं था, but we have converted. We got the A, B, C from this. How we have to get that we have learned. Okay, now let's see the question number 5. The question number 5 is very very easy. If you understood question number 5, it will be easy for you to solve the question number 6. Okay, Now question number 5 is word problem. Okay, and this word problem is very easy. Once you understood what they are saying, it will be very easy to solve these examples. Okay, and question number 5 is a taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with the 50 liters of petrol. If the cost of petrol rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all petrol? Okay, they are saying the taxi driver filled his car petrol means tank, the petrol tank on the Monday he filled about 40 liters petrol he filled. Okay, and the next day means on Tuesday he filled the petrol tank with 50 liters petrol, 50 liter petrol, and if the cost of petrol per liter is 44 rupees, so in all means 50 plus 40 जो भी आएगा, जो भी उसका एडिशन आएगा, तो इनको मिला के ऐसे कितने पैसे उसको लगे पेट्रोल पे ऐसे 2 दिन का, that we have to find it out. Means the question is saying that अगर 1 लीटर का 44 रुपीज कॉस्ट है पेट्रोल का पर लीटर, मतलब 1 लीटर का 44 रुपीज है, तो मंडे को उसने 40 लीटर्स भरा और ट्यूसडे को 50 लीटर भरा, तो इन दोनों को मिलाकर ऐसे उसको इतने सारे लीटर्स को कितने पैसे लगे, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन. सो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. गिवन इज कॉस्ट ऑफ petrol per liter means 1 liter. Okay, what is the cost of petrol per liter? That is rupees 44 they have given. Okay, now money spent on Monday, that we don't know what is the cost of 40 liter. We don't know. So what we will do here, how much petrol he filled on Monday, that is 40. What is the cost of per liter petrol, that we have to multiply. We have learned in our previous session when the cost of one thing they have given and we have to find out for many. So what we do, we multiply the cost of one thing with the given number, so to get the answer, the total cost will get. So here अगर 1 लीटर पेट्रोल का दिया हुआ है कीमत, तो हम क्या करेंगे, उस 1 लीटर पेट्रोल की कीमत हम जितना भी पेट्रोल भरा है उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तब जाके हमको आंसर मिलेगा इसका. सो दिस इज द गिवन. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू राइट मनी स्पेंट ऑन नेक्स्ट डे मतलब ट्यूसडे. स्पेंट ऑन ट्यूसडे how much petrol he filled, that is 50 liter. We don't know the cost, so we will multiply with the 44. Now we have to find out total money spent. तो टोटल उसने कितने खर्च किए इतने सारे पेट्रोल के लिए, तो हमको ऐड करना, दोनों दिन का पेट्रोल ऐड करना पड़ेगा. टोटल मनी spent. So here what we have to do is 40 multiplied by 44 plus 50 multiplied by 44. Now student, see this equation where we have learned in which property, that is distributivity property. In that property we have seen this type of equation. So here what we have to do, here if we'll decide 44 is the A, so we have to write here 44 because 44 is a common, and in the distributive property we have seen the common number we always consider as a. So here 44 multiplied by 40 plus 50. Okay, so here 44 multiplied by 40 plus 50, 90. Okay, so let's do the here multiplication of 44 and 90. Let's see what is the total cost that taxi driver spent on the 90 liter petrol. Okay, so now 0 4s are 0, 0 4s are 0. Again this 0 we have to write. 9 4s are 36. 3 we have to write. Again 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 3, 39. So we got the answer 3960. So here 3960 was the total cost. So what will be our statement? Thus he spent money on both the day on both the day for 90 liter petrol is rupees 3960. Okay, I hope you have understood, because my blackboard is very small. I hope you are understanding whatever I am writing on the blackboard. Here the question was the taxi driver on the both day, on the Monday he filled the 40 liters petrol. Okay, on the second day he filled the tank with the 50 liter petrol, और एक लीटर पेट्रोल की कीमत क्या थी 44. इट सिंपली था, अगर हम उन दोनों को पहले ही ऐड कर देते तो हमको वो मिल जाता, वो भी आंसर हमको मिल जाता. और उसके बाद बट वी हैव टू सॉल्व इन द सिस्टमैटिक वे वेयर वी हैव टू यूज द प्रॉपर्टी. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 is also same like this one, but the word problem is different, but same method we have to use over there also. The question number 6. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन है कि एक वेंडर दुकानदार, अगर दुकानदार सप्लाई करता है 32 liters of milk in the morning to the hotel. Okay, दुकानदार 32 liters मिल्क होटल को देता है सुबह. द सेम डे इन द इवनिंग में वो 68 लीटर दूध देता है होटल को. तो ये दोनों, और 1 लीटर दूध की कीमत क्या है 45. तो ऐसे करके वो एक पूरा दिन का कितने पैसे का दूध देता है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट. ओके, सो हियर द गिवन इज, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन. दे हैव सेड दैट इफ वेंडर इज सप्लाइंग 32 liters milk in the morning and the same day if the vendor is supplying the 68 liter in the evening, the milk in the evening, and the cost of per liter milk is 45. So in total in the same day how much liter milk, the cost of that milk which he is supplying, that we have to find it out. Okay, so here given cost of milk per liter that is rupees 45. Okay, that is 45. Now here the next given is cost of milk supplied in the morning. Okay, that we don't know what is the total cost for the 32 liters. So what we will do, 32 liters multiply by what is the cost of per liter 45. So here will come 32 multiply by 45. Okay, on the same day in the evening, the cost of milk supplied in the evening, how much liter milk he is supplying in the evening, that is 68 liter. 68 multiplied by 45. Okay, so here we got total cost okay, that we have to find it out. So what we have to do, what we got the cost for supplied milk in the morning, that is 32 multiplied by 45 plus 68 multiplied by 45. Okay, so here 45 is common. Again distributivity properties we have to use here, and in that format the equation we got. So 45 is our A. Okay, so let's 45 here and multiply by 32 plus 68. Okay, so 45 multiplied by 32 plus 68 is equal to 100. Okay, and if you multiply 45 with the 100, you will get how many 2 zeros 45. So the cost of the 100 liter milk is 4,500. So 100 liter milk he was supplying to the hotel every day, and how much money how much money is due to the vendor per day, that was 45,000. So therefore Thus, rupees 4,500 vendor is due to per day. Okay, so two examples we have solved, the two, and both the examples were same, only the words and the numbers were different, but methods of both the examples are same. Now let's see the seventh example here. Students, why I'm taking each and every question, because so many students are there, still they don't have other textbook. Okay, and some students, they are not here in the Pune, so for them it is very difficult to get the textbook and notebook. So I'm just hoping till this situation is not in our control, so I'm trying to give the answer of each and every question, so where you will not find the difficulties, you can easily get the answer for every question. It's okay if you don't have any if you don't have a textbook, that is absolutely okay. Whatever you are attending, whatever you are getting from the session, whatever the homework you are getting, you will definitely, if you concentrate when you are attending the session, so if you are paying your attention when you are attending the session, definitely whatever the teachers are saying about their subject, definitely you will understood. Okay, let's solve the question number 7. Question number 7 is match the following. Okay, so this is the column A. My blackboard is not enough, means not big enough, so I'm not writing here column B. Directly I'm going to tell you what are the what are the things in the column B. Okay, so here in the column A, first equation is 425 multiplied by 36 is equal to 425 multiply in bracket 6 plus 30 plus 100, that is the same thing, that is 160 136. That's why is equal to sign is there. Okay, so we have to find out which property is that. Okay, which property? So B column is filled with the properties. We have to find out for each equation which property is that. So second is 2 multiplied by 49 multiplied by 50 is equal to 2 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 9. So again the same numbers are there, okay, but they have changed their order. One is equal to sign is there. So we have to identify which property is there. And third is 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005 again. And in the B column the properties are, first A is sorry, it is very difficult actually. For me also it is very difficult to pronounce them properly, but I'm trying to say it. Okay, so commutativity under multiplication. My tongue is not rolling for this word, sorry for that. So we can easily say commutativity property under multiplication. B is commutativity under addition and distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay, so student, here if we'll see the first equation, 425 multiplied by 36. 425 multiply, here addition is there when we are doing the multiplication. So obviously which property is that? Yes, exactly, that is distributivity of multiplication over addition. So third C means C option is the correct match for this equation. So here will come distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay, now let's see the second equation. And 2 multiplied by 49 multiplied by 15 is equal to 2 multiplied by 50 and 2 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 49. So again here we have to say in the option they have given us commutativity under addition. commutativity under addition. So here we have to do multiplication we had done here. So here will come commutativity under addition and commutativity under multiplication. Here we have done the multiplication and here we have done the addition. Okay, sorry student, still some words are there. My tongue is not rolling for those words, but I am trying to say it because I want to overcome this problem. Because whenever these problems, whenever the words come, always it happens with me. So if whatever I am saying, if it is bothering, so sorry for that. Okay, so here commutativity under multiplication, and this property is, here I am writing answers are student, these are the correct match for this equation. Okay, and this property is commutativity, yes, now I am pronouncing it correctly, commutativity under addition. So here we have solved exercise 2.2. In the next session we will see the different patterns of whole numbers and how we can use the different figures, geometrical elementary shapes we can make with the help of the dots, and which number we can use to make line, rectangle, triangle, square with the help of dots. That we will see in next session, and we will also see the different number patterns we will see. Okay, and in that session also we will solve the last exercise of this lesson, and then we will finish this lesson. I hope you have understood what we have learned in this exercise. Okay, in the previous session we have solved the half exercise. In this session we have solved half exercise. Students, what you can do is you can take your own numbers you can take, you can solve it yourself, and I told you how to cross check your answers. Okay, I hope you will find this session helpful for us. If you have any difficulties regarding to this, you can put your message in the feedback box. Definitely I will try to solve your problems regarding to this concept. Okay,